have asked, how do you flatten a bottle cap? Well, I'm going to show you how right now. What you're going to do is you're going to take your multi-purpose platform. You want to go to the bottom plate. You're going to stick it in there. Stick this plate down like this. Take your bottle cap, or soda pop top they call them. Put it face down like this. Put this plate over it. And then you just go ahead and run it right through the big shot. And there you have your bottle cap top all the way flattened. And that's how you flatten a bottle cap top.